guys, today we are going to be putting together the spider lantern using some more fun materials from Smoky Hill Designs. I am obsessed with this pattern ply on clear flex. If you've seen my stuff online, you know this already. If you don't have any of this material from Smoky Hill, feel free to use any 0.01 to 0.03 clear, flexible material that is laserable. It'll work just as well in lenses. I know there are a few others out there. I hope you enjoy the video, and as always, I thank you so much for your order, and let me know, reach out if you have any questions at all. Thanks again. All right, once you've got it all together, it should hold with tension. So the lens pieces are holding the top and the bottom, and they will hold. They do really well. I also wanted to say the reason I used the spider web for the front is because I love the way when it lights up it shows the cemetery scene inside. But you can do the same color all the way around. It's completely up to you. I also tend to cheat a little bit and not put this last tab in just because it makes it easier for me to get my lights in and out. But that's just a tip. Again, you can do this however you want. Use whichever flex material you want. But when you're done, have fun, and I hope you enjoy. Let me know if you guys have any questions.